guys, welcome back to my channel. So today what I want to do is organize all of my seasoning and all of my food stuff here, and organize all of my plates, all of my Tupperware, and all of my bowls over here, because it seems like I have more seasoning than I have this. So I need to replace this over here and that over there. What's going to be sad about this whole transition is that my little lazy Susie that turns is no longer going to be with us because it's too out. Like I can't fit it. So I probably can get another one in the future, but right now, the way my life is, I got to organize it now. So here goes. So what I did is I emptied down everything, kind of put it right in front of me, to see what I have, things that I actually buy more of, knowing that I have more in there, but I don't know because I can't see it. And I know that happens to a lot of you guys. You guys can also comment down to know that yes, that happens to everyone. Here I have two different apple ciders. This one I believe is a little bit more natural and organic than this one here, but I got two apple ciders. I have coconut oil, and I have two honeys over here. I have a bunch of Pam sprays. This one's missing a top, giving me OCD about it. And then just different types of seasonings. That some of them I might have the same one, some of them I have extra of, so that one of them finishes quick, I have it. So you just want to see everything to see what you have and be like, girl, And then what you could do in the meantime is you can refill your sugars, you can refill your salts, everything that needs to be refilled, you can refill it now. Definitely some brown sugar as well. So these are my little jars here. So just like you guys can see. And then this is like a little bucket of different things, like different rices. I had like different rices over here too. I have a jasmine rice, I have a brown basmati rice, and I have some quinoa, whatever you call it. But yeah, so that's one of my steps. Seeing all this will definitely get you like stressed out, because it's like, wow, it's a lot of things. But just know you're gonna put it all back together. It's gonna look pretty neat when you put it up here. So far this is how it looks. I did not add the blue one because it just didn't look nice. So I kind of put like a Swiffer box in there, but nobody knows what it is if you kind of look at it like this. So that's a secret to hiding things. But you have your different ingredients back there. It looks kind of organized. With my pepper and salt. So that's how it looks right now. And then all my other seasoning packages are in here, so that looks nice as well. So stay tuned for more. This shit filled up quick though. You see all this? All the seasoning, everything. This Nesquik's not supposed to be there, but I was like, where the hell do I put it? So we have your peanut butters there too, so it just literally fits everything. So I'm actually happy that I went from here, as you can see the plates and my bowls, to here. Because Lord Jesus. And then on the next aisle, in the next cabinet, we have our Tupperware. So that I'm still trying to figure out, because there's still a lot of things that I have to put away. It's really good, don't you think? It's like you can see the stuff is in the back too, like, you know, in the back here I put all my like starches, like my rices and my quinoas back there. And these are the things that I would season my chicken with, some of the sprays. And it's, you know, I can reach it, you know, it's not like I go like, oh my god, I have to go like in a step to reach it. So it's really good. Okay, so this is the end result. This is how it looks. It's all organized here in 3 tiers. We have all of our seasonings down here. We have our honey, everything else here. And then we put our plates, our cups, some more things that actually I could fit in the back of there, so that worked perfectly. My little coffee cup, my plates, which a lot of stuff is still wet from washing it. And then here I organized my plastic wraps, aluminum foil, wax paper, some of my cake stuff, some little bags, all our medicine, some more random stuff like pancake mix and hot cocoa. Then here put a little bit more of our Tupperware, some more sprinkle stuff for the holidays, some more things to make sandwiches, some flour and tea. So that's basically what I did to organize it. So I'm glad that I changed it all here. Thank you to my sisters who told me to do so, that it would be more space, and it definitely is. So shout out to Caprilla. So yeah, thank you so much.